Hey everyone, James Reeves, AutoGuide.com, covering SEMA 2025. We're going to do the top JDM vehicles from SEMA 2025. We have an incredible drift car and an incredible presenter. We have Sabrina with us. She's going to tell us all about this car. Sabrina?
Okay, so over here we have this amazing drift cart. It is signed by Toshi from Liberty Walk. Electric motor in the front, a battery in the back, goes 20 to 30 miles an hour, just depending on how much you weigh and how much you want to whip it.
Our SEMA 2025 coverage is sponsored by Hagerty. Along with providing insurance for special cars, Hagerty is home to Hagerty Drivers Club, Marketplace, Hagerty Media, and events like the Amelia, Radwood, and more. Learn more at Hagerty.com.
So this is Larry Chin's first project car he ever had. It's a 1970 Datsun Series 1, which makes it very hard to restore. But this car has been completely gone through inside and out. The interior is going to feature some updated plastics from Resurrected Classics. We've also gone through with some Skillard products to kind of clean up some of the trim pieces that you can't find anymore. The suspension is entirely Techno Toy tuning, combined with KW coilovers, and the car has actually been swapped with a Nissan SR20 DT. Z Car Garage actually did an engine bay restoration on it right before SEMA. So the car came back, had an engine bay restoration. We did the brand new suspension from Techno Toy tuning. Then it went and got dry ice blasted on the bottom, re-undercoated. Watanabe wheels on it. They're actually a mismatched set if you look closely, just to showcase the different styles that they have of the wheel. And the horsepower is probably like just under 300. It's nothing crazy.
Right.
It's just a single turbo SR20. So probably right around under 300, but I don't think it's ever actually been on a dyno.
I mean, it doesn't need to be, man. It looks fast, and that's all that counts, right?
Looks fast, looks great, drives great. That's all we care about.
We have a Corolla. This is AE86 right here?
AE86.
Yeah, tell me all about it, Freddie.
What we did here is we did a transplant, so a lot of people may not like it. We actually put a Honda motor in it.
That actually is blasphemy. Shut the video off.
So it was a 2.4 liter. We stroked it to a 2.7 liter. We did a ported head and cams and valves. And so now it's very responsive. It's close 8 to 1,000 horsepower.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. You got to be kidding me.
So the Recaro seats, these are the classics. They don't sell them anymore. So this is the actual design and material of the Recaro Tomcat.
It looks great. Is that a Nardi steering wheel?
Yeah, that's actually a Greddy steering wheel, which is pretty rare. It's from Japan. Every single thing from door panels to dashboard to the back seats to everything in here, we all did it at Auto Fashion.
My name is Jun of the Haruka Tokyo. This 300ZX Z32, this car, the original planning is exporting to the Japan. I wanted a driving in Japan, left-hand driving the Z. This is swapped to the LS3, but everything in the mechanical tuning, everything in then ECU is swapped to the Haltech ECU.
How much horsepower?
550. Interior is modifying in basically like a racing car. Everything in the interior, the takeoff, but the dashboard original, the plus energy, steering wheels with the Prisma, the seat, and 5-point harness is a NLZ pointing.
I see a body kit where you've got the enlarged fenders.
Yes, this is born in Japan. Branded name is Pandem by Rocket Bunny Racing, #1 of the world body kit.
Trust Japan, our counterpart in Japan, built this car for Tokyo Auto Salon this year in January.
Yeah.
And when I saw it, okay, this will be a perfect SEMA car. This is a 1985 Toyota Soarer, and I think it was a perfect opportunity to kind of show the Japanese JDM, heritage. Original engine. There was a consideration of putting 2J in there, but why do that when you could put a rare engine of 6M, which was not offered in U.S. So they did a great job with the offset turbos and twin turbo setup. Custom-made intake manifold, limited slip from OS Gaikin.
Well, look, it certainly got my attention. Terry, dozo yoroshiku.
よろしくお願いします。
It's an honor to meet you. This is a beautiful 1977 Celica.
This is 1977 Celica liftback. It's owned by Koji Yamaguchi, the organizer of Japanese classic car show called JCCS. I'm the co-organizer. So we wanted to debut this Celica at the JCCS 20th anniversary. Just happened in October last month. And we did debut it, and then this is our very first time to have this opportunity to exhibit this Celica under SEMA Armor booth. So the engine is rebuilt 18RG engine, and then it's a custom headers, and all the project was managed by Den's Mechanic. I think it took 2 years. We tried to keep as stock as possible, but dashboard and all the seat it's remanufactured, and then seat is recovery seats, but the cover is customized, and we just got it before the SEMA. And steering wheel is with by Watanabe wheels, and we also have the nice tires from Yokohama wheels.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.
Sorry, my explanation of the car is not probably.
Your explanation was perfect. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SEMA 2025. Take care.